Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a cool new product that came into the shop. So this product here, it's called the strap jacket. So I'm going to strap a couple of things and give you guys an idea of what this product is and what it's all about. It just goes to show you which looks better. So I mean, this stuff could just be flying around, and it could even get, it could turn over, get caught on a tire, and really screw things up. So I really like that strap jacket. I love that idea. Alright, so that was the demonstration of the strap jacket. Now when it comes to this product, I really liked it. The hook and loop system is pretty tough though, it really is. So there's no problem containing the strap in there and the mechanism, all that excess stuff. I mean, it just very clean look. I like the hook and loop system in the back here because you could just put these two together and you got a pair just ready to put somewhere in the glove in the back of a toolbox. It doesn't matter. I mean, it's just very sleek, smooth. Check out the strap jacket. Safe and secure. It really is. The ultimate excess strap control and storage solution. Yeah, I think so. They have social media, so if you want to check that out, I think that's Instagram and Facebook. And then they also have a website. And you can do a search on Google. You'll get their website, and you can even buy this thing on Amazon. So, and also, if you guys want to check out the description box down below, I'll have all the specs on this thing. Yeah, thank you guys over there at the Strap Jacket for sending this over. I really love your product. I'm going to be using this, and I will be purchasing some so I can have in my vehicles. Yeah, it would be very beneficial for those guys out there that do a lot of moving or move stuff. So anyways, I want to go ahead and thank all my viewers, subscribers, new subscribers and viewers. Thank you guys for all the comments, those views, and that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.